Every time there's a crisis, a crash, a recession, a collapse, most people panic, most people retreat, most people lose. But not everyone, because quietly, beneath the chaos, there's a trick. A wealth-building move that's hidden in every financial crisis. And those who know it don't just survive the storm, they come out wealthier than ever. Today, I'm revealing exactly what that trick is. And how the people you admire, the ones who seem to always get richer no matter what, are using crisis after crisis to quietly build generational power. But before we get into it, tap that like button if you've ever felt like you were always on the losing side of the news. Comment, "I'm done panicking," if you're ready to think like the wealthy. And don't forget to subscribe, because every video we drop teaches you to outsmart what the system wants you to fear. Let's begin the cycle of panic and profit every time the economy tanks. The middle class gets scared. The working class gets crushed. But the wealthy? They get busy, they're not reacting emotionally, they're looking for signals. And more importantly, they're following a plan. The trick isn't luck, it's positioning. They know something most people never learn: every crash is a clearance sale. What the average person does, let's look at the pattern. Stock market crashes. People sell in fear. Real estate dips. People back out of buying. Crypto tanks. Everyone calls it dead. People run away from assets while prices are low. Because they've been taught to follow emotions, not math. And that's exactly how the rich keep the cycle going. They buy when you're scared, and sell when you finally feel safe. Still with me? Comment, "I buy the dip," if you're ready to break out of the panic loop. Because now, you're about to see the trick, the wealth trick hidden in every crisis. Here it is. The rich buy assets at discounts while others are selling. They acquire businesses, real estate, and stocks at a fraction of their true value. And they position themselves for the rebound while the rest of the world is licking their wounds. They understand this rule: wealth is not created in good times, it's created in downturns. And revealed in good times. Real-world examples. 2008, while millions lost homes, it seems that there is no content provided for me to rephrase. If you have a specific script or text that you would like me to work on, please share it, and I'll be happy to help. Investors like Warren Buffett bought into blue-chip companies, distressed properties, and banks. Cheap. The market tanked. Fear skyrocketed. But those who bought tech, crypto, or even started online businesses, many doubled, tripled, or 10x'd their investments in the recovery. Right now, uncertainty is everywhere. Recession fears, housing market shifts, currency instability. But guess what? New wealth is forming, quietly, because behind every downturn is a window. The question is, will you be watching it or walking through it? How you can use this trick, even with little money. You don't need millions to do what the wealthy do. You just need a shift in strategy. 1. Look for undervalued assets. During a crisis, strong businesses lose value not because they're bad, but because people panic. Use this time to buy index funds or ETFs at a discount. Invest in companies with strong fundamentals but short-term drops. Explore real estate markets where prices have corrected. Even buy digital assets, websites, newsletters, social pages that others abandon. 2. Acquire skills that become priceless after the storm. When the economy slows down, people stop investing in themselves. That's your edge. Pick up high-income skills: copywriting, digital marketing, sales, coding, AI operations while others are distracted. Because once the recovery starts, you'll be in demand. 3. Build or buy while competitors retreat. Thousands of people give up during downturns. Side hustles go dark. Which means you can buy assets, clients, or attention for pennies on the dollar. You can enter markets while they're quiet, and grow when they wake up again. Still watching? Comment, "Crisis equals opportunity," if you're done watching others win from your fear. Why they don't teach you this? Because if everyone saw crisis as opportunity, the cycle would break. Fear fuels control, scarcity fuels submission, panic keeps you distracted. But when you learn to see through it, you realize that the game isn't about reacting to the news. It's about preparing for the rebound, because the rich aren't scared of recession. They're waiting for it. Most people run when the market drops. The wealthy? They walk in. Because the wealth trick hidden in every financial crisis is that it's not really a crisis at all, it's a reset. And those who are ready don't just recover, they rise. So next time the headlines scream fear, ask yourself one question: what's going on behind the curtain? And how can I position myself to benefit from what others are fleeing? And start planning. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button. Comment, "I don't fear recessions," if you're ready to build wealth when others freeze. And make sure to subscribe, because the next video will show you how to find real undervalued assets while everyone else is blind to them. Thanks for watching. Stay calm, stay strategic. And remember, every crisis holds a fortune, for those who know where to look.